Kulay ng title. Ayaw niya yan. Gusto niya yung gusto mong kulay niya. Ayaw niya yan. Gusto niya yung sarili ng kulay. Nasa US.
Court 3, Kaina, Venice, AC, and Caroline. Court 3, Kaina and Venice, AC, Caroline. Court 3. Court 4. Kaina, Venice, AC, Caroline. Court 4.
Kaya Andrea, lagay daw yung mukha mo dito.
Yan tayo eh.
Maganda mo. Kaya nakalagay sa likod. Madami yung order nun. Limited edition. Mukha ba naman yan?
Nakita mo nga ako mga kampanya. Wala pa 2028. Putay na nyo. Kapitan na.
Meron sa likod na number 1 sa balota.
Ang hirap mag-vote sa inyo. Ang hirap mag-vote.
Tapos nakalagay, we love you.
Pinatay na nga.
We love you lang? Wala ba akong sinakot?
Oo, ayun.
Di ba kayo? Tapos may date ko. Date kung kailan pinanganak ko sa 2025.
Next set, be ready. Bamba and Bambi, Pete and Jonas. Second in line, Ron and Shane, Inigo and Joseph. Third in line, Carlos and Ami, Gian and Ralph. Fourth in line in their last game, Park, MC, Cedric and Earl. Fifth in line in their last game, Ayel, Isa, Ronnie and Lebron. Seventh in line in their last game, Bamba, VJ, Sergio and Josh. Seventh in line in their last game, Ron and Kyle versus Vince and Sir Francis. Ninth in line in their last game, Heaven, give, Bless, Lance Martin. Ninth in line, Paul and Jay, RM and Sherwin. Next three games, Bamba and Bambi, Teen and Jonas. Second in line, Ron and Shane, Inigo and Joseph. Third in line, Carlos, Ami, Gian and Raf. Fourth in line in their last game, Park and MC, Cedric and Earl. Fifth in line in their last game, Ayel and Avi, Isa and Ronnie. Sixth in line in their last game, VJ, Bamba, Sergio and Josh. Seventh in line in their last game, Kyle and Ron, Vince and Sir Francis. Eighth in line in their last game, Heaven and Give, Bless and Lance Martin. 19 line and your last game, Paul and Liza, RM and Sherwin.
Wow! Sir Francis
Court 1, Bamba and Bambi, Teen and Jonas, Court 1. Bamba, Bambi, Teen, Jonas, Court 1.
Bam 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 bam.
Next on court 2, group photo po. Quick lang.
Kuya, last game na po.
Last game ka na.
Wag.
Last game na yun. Oo, last game na.
Oo, no, kasi pinabawi lang yun.
Out ka na.
Hindi, last game na ako, last game. Pinabawi lang ako kasi.
Mamaya pa yung walang ba?
Ano ka lang? Kaya din ay mama ko.
Ayos na. O, ito gamit.
Ayaw ko to. Bibigyan natin ng hostisya ang game niyo.
Court 3, Ron and Shane, Inigo and Joseph, Court 3. Ron, Shane, Inigo, Joseph, Court 3. Next set, be ready. Carlos, Ami, Gian, and Raf. Second in line in their last game, Park and MC, Cedric and Earl. Third in line in their last game, Ayel and Avi, Isa and Ronnie. Fourth in line in their last game, Gamba and VJ, Sergio and Josh. Your next game will be your last game, players. Your next game will be your last game. Court 2, Carlos, Ami, Gian, and Raf, Court 2.